Well, there you have it. What? Guys, summer is finally here. It feels like summer. It's beautiful out every day. And what have I been doing? A little bit of everything, but working a lot since the 4th. So I'm sorry I haven't got videos out, and thank you for the 100 subscribers as well, and still keeping some momentum with that. But I want to give you guys a little teaser of what's to come. So here's my summer and some clips of what I've been doing in the very little spare time I have had as of now. I hope you guys enjoy. We are off to do Buffalo Mountain in Silverthorne. Gonna hike it. There's still some snow up there, so bring our boards, get a lap in. Then I gotta go to work. I'm running a little behind because I could not sleep to save my life last night, which really sucks because it's a big hike. I've done it many, many times, and it's one of my favorite hikes. She's just got the biggest smile right now. Oh yeah. Dude, what? Chilling up there. Woo! I got 9 minutes to get to my car so I can get to work on time. We're pushing it. Got what, a mile and a half to go?
Hey, you got that. 8-minute mile?
Now with a snowboard on my back, I don't. Jonathan, the most awesome dude ever. Thanks for having me. He's gonna take my snowboard. Make sure you go check out his channel. He's a beast, dude. He crushed it today, killed it. Let's go have some fun. Let's get down here. All right, guys, made it to Loveland. It's looking pretty scarce, but Jonathan's got high hopes and he knows best. Definitely when it comes to conditions, since he gets to go every day. But he got a job too.
Yeah.
Full-time crushing it.
Full-time shredding.
We're at Mohawk with Stephen Allen. Dude, this is absolutely crazy in comparison to last time I was here. This used to be the road. Just crushing it. Looking fresh, looking dope. All right, guys, that was Spruce Creek. We just made it to Lower Mohawk Lake. These two made it. Just took your time. Not barely, you just had to take your time and that's all, and not stress it. So good job, guys. Woo. Yeah, now we're gonna go eat some chicken wings. Chicken wings, yeah.